Tog. Tizzy. There's something wrong with... Listen! What's going on?
Oh, it's all right, Toot. You've just got the hiccups, that's all.
Hiccups? What are hiccups?
Those are.
Oh, no.
Now, you don't have to worry, Toot. We'll get rid of them easily, won't we, Tizzy?
Yeah, getting rid of hiccups is easy. All we need is to give Toot a big, big surprise. Wait there.
A surprise?
What?
What's a surprise?
It's when something happens and you didn't know it was coming, Toot.
Like what?
Like if I sneak up behind you and say, boo!
Oh.
Or if I bang on a drum very loudly. See? There, that was a surprise. Or
what?
well, if someone, like Tizzy, blew up a big, big balloon and then what?
Whoa!
Well,
It's Tizzy.
well, that would be a surprise.
What's he doing up there?
Hanging on tight.
Get me down! Get me down! Whoop!
Oh,
Watch out!
no! Welcome back, Tizzy.
I'm sorry, Tog. I just wanted to give Toot a big surprise to get rid of the hiccups.
Well, maybe it worked. Do you still have them, Toot?
What?
The hiccups!